Welcome to Instacart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. Today we have got a portable single gas detector from Bosean. This is Bosean BT BX102 model. So this is a single gas detector. So as you can see, the form factor of this device, this is a handheld in size. So now talking about the enclosure and the build of this device. So it's a rubber based standard grade rugged construction. In back we have got a crocodile clip to lock the device to the pocket or belt. Here we have got three soft buttons, the center OK button and up and down keys. Here is the charging pin, and these are the hooter and the flasher points. So basically this is an oxygen detector. The device comes with more than 15 different gas monitoring. So similar to this, we have got this LEL detector also. As you can see, this is a LEL detector from 0 to 100%. This is oxygen. So its value right now it's 20.9. The range of the device is 0 to 30% volume. This is a IP65 rating device, and the same device is also available in IP67. The device has got NFC and Bluetooth connectivity. Apart from this, the device has got a data logging facility also. The device has also got a graphical view. Here you can see the red and the yellow line. This is a maximum range and this is a minimum range. Between this, there is a green line which is showing the normal range of oxygen right now. In case of any deviation, user will be getting a bar graph or a line graph somewhere here. This is the menu option. User get different menus: gas calibration, gas setting, records, system settings, system reset, system update, and powering off. So right now we have got two devices. This is oxygen and this is LEL. The LEL detector can use to detect many hydrocarbons using the same device with a percentage of 0 to 100% LEL. Apart from this device, I'll show you some inbox content which comes along with the device. Here is the warranty card, the calibration certificate, user manual, charger, and the charging cable, USB to charging cable. Via same pin, the device can be connected to PC and the data transferring can be done. To know more about this product, please reach to our website. Thank you.